Maybe we should.
I back Plaid because as an Englishman who's moved to Wales, I want the best for Wales. Plaid are the only party that have put Wales first and care about Welsh-only issues.
I back Plaid because I think Wales should have the same powers as Scotland.
I back Plaid because they're against the ban on donating blood for gay men.
I back Plaid because they support the youth.
I back Plaid because they are the only party that stands up for Wales.
I back Plaid because they're the only party in Wales that's fighting against fracking.
I back Plaid because they refuse to push mental illness under the rug and pretend it isn't there.
I back Plaid because I believe in a better future for the people of Wales. I believe we should be treated equally with Scotland and should have parity, and that we must reject Westminster's austerity and have a brighter future for all of our people. I'm lying.
I back Plaid Cymru because we're the only party that puts Wales first. We have an excellent candidate here in Connecticut in Paul Williams, and we would need to build a real alternative based on the politics of progression. So let's move Connecticut forward, and let's put Wales before Westminster and Connecticut before London.
I'm backing Plaid because Plaid backs my community, Plaid backs Wales. It's the only party that backs Wales. And when Plaid is strong, Wales is strong. And the stronger we are, the more influence Wales will have after May.
Westminster isn't working for Wales. It isn't working for Connecticut. Plaid Cymru is answerable only to the people of Wales. Plaid Cymru wants a stronger, healthier and wealthier Wales for all. You can help achieve that by voting for a stronger voice, a Plaid Cymru voice. I'm lying.
I back Plaid because they get the youth involved in politics.
I back Plaid Cymru because there is only one party that sees the true potential of the people on this land that we call Wales, and we want to unlock that potential for everyone.